1. Preparation. Tow installation. First, unscrew the vehicle fuse box baffle using a screwdriver and gently pry it open. Next, measure the fuse voltage with the multimeter to ensure it reads 1213V when the vehicle is in ignition mode. After confirming the voltage adaptability, connect the wire harness as follows. Connect the red cable to the vehicle's constant power supply, V+, the orange cable to the ACC control port, and reliably ground the black cable, G and D. Upon completion of the wiring, carefully identify a suitable location on the front windshield for device installation. Then, insert the SIM card and micro SD cards. And securely attach the device to the front windshield. After that, connect the DMS camera and power cable to the device. Then route the wires along the window sealing strip to ensure they are concealed. Three. App, Add Tool, Demonstration. Finally, open the app, Add Tool, on your phone to perform tests. Infer, you can see the current status of the device. Click on the preview to walk the camera screen and adjust the angle. The video playback function supports viewing historical videos. Configure device parameters. ADAS calibration, move the crosshairs to the center of the screen. DMS calibration, the face should be in the red box. At this point, the installation of EH15-V1 has been successfully completed. Driver monitoring system.
No smoking, please. No phone call, please. You are tired, please take a rest. Please turn smoothly.
Advanced driving assistance system.
Lane departure. Keep a distance from the vehicle in front, please. Pay attention to the car in front. Pay attention to pedestrians ahead.
BSJ Tech.